Good evening, Bhavishya.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Have you completed the work which I shared on WhatsApp?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. All right. Yeah, now I'm going to give you a test. Let me know what doubt you have. Did you understand the first one? How to find the value of 71 squared using the identity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so what do? You write 71 squared as 70 plus 1 the whole square. See, you can easily find 71 squared by multiplying 71 with itself like this. But you're supposed to find the value of 71 squared using an identity, not by direct multiplication like this. You're expected to find the value of 71 squared using a suitable identity. So we write 71 as 70 plus 1, 71 squared. So 70 plus 1 the whole square. And then we treat it as a plus b the whole square and find the value of 71 squared. So when you actually multiply 71 with itself, this is what you will get, 5041. It's the same answer which you should get using the identity. Similarly, 99 is 100 minus 1. So a minus b the whole square. 102 is 100 plus 2. 100 plus 2 the whole square. 102 the square. So a plus b the whole square. Yeah, so you should ask me if you have any questions. Any questions here, Bhavishya? 4, 5, and 6?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What about 7, 8, and 9?
That last one I'm having doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, I wanted, that's what I was just waiting, to see your response. Correct. Even I wanted to explain the last one. All right. Now, you can see that these two numbers, 1.05 and this is 9.5. This is 1.05. This is 9.5. Now, you cannot, let me take a similar one. Now, look at this now. Look at this one. 78 into 82. Now, what is that number between 78 and 82? 80. Between 70, see, you have to find 78 into 82. Now, we know that 80 lies between 78 and 82. 80 lies between, see, 79 also lies between 78 and 82. But we're looking for something like 70, 80, 60, so that multiplication is easy. Even 81 lies between 78 and 82. But you understand that 80 is a comfortable number, right? 80. So 80 lies between 78 and 82. So how do you write, 78? 80 minus 2. And what about 82? 80 plus 2. So we write the two numbers using this number in the middle. 78, 82. 80 is the number in between 78 and 82. So we write 78 as 80 minus 2 using 80 minus 2 and 82 as 80 plus 2. Correct? 78 can be written as 80 minus 2 and 82 can be written as 80 plus 2. Using the same number 80, we write both 78 and 82. Now it's of the form a minus b into a plus b, where a is 80 and b is 2. So a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. And 78 into 82 is 6396. This is exactly what you will get even when you multiply, when you do the actual multiplication. So the last one is similar to the that is this 9th subdivision is similar to the 7th one. Now, when you see these two numbers 78 and 82, they're kind of close to one another, 78, 82. But look at these two numbers, 1.05 and 9.5. 1.05, 9.5. See, but if it was, now for example, Bhavishya, if it was 105 and 95, 105 and 95, what is that number between 105 and 95?
100, ma'am.
100. Correct, 100. So how will you write 105? 100 plus 5, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And how will you write 95? 100 minus 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. No, so we are trying to bring these two numbers closer. They're very far apart. This is 1. This is 9. This is 1. This is 9. And the thing is, you cannot, it's difficult to write these two numbers using the same number. Like when I said 105 and 95, it was convenient. You used 100 and you can write 105 as 100 plus 5. And using the same number 100, you can write this as 100 minus 5. So what we do here is, since you cannot write these two numbers using a common number, because they're very far apart. This is 1, this is 9. Okay, so what we do is we take the greater number. Take the greater number 9.5. 9.5. You can write this as 0.95 into 10, right? See, now what is 9.5? 9.5. It is 0.95 into 10. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
See here, 9.5 is equal to 0.95 into 10. Into 10. When you multiply by 10, the decimal point will be shifted here, so you will get 9.5. So that is what is the first step. We take up the given expression, we write this 1.5 as it is, and this 9.5 is written as 0.95 into 10. That's the first step. 0.95 into 10. This is nothing but 9.5. This one, when you multiply, you will get 9.5. We are not changing anything. Okay, now in the next step, keep the 10 aside. Keep this 10 aside. Keep this 10 aside. See here, 10. Now, what is between 1.05 and 0.95? Between 1 and 0. That is between 1.05 and 0.95. 1. 1 is between them. See here, 1.05 is more than 1. 0.95 is less than 1. 1.05 is more than 1. 0.95 is less than 1. So 1 is between these two numbers. So we try to write both the numbers using 1. So 1.05 can be written as 1 plus 0.05. And 0.95 can be written as 1 minus 0.05. You can add and subtract and check. You can add, subtract, and check. Let me, addition is easy. Let me subtract for you. So see here, 1 means 1.00 and minus 0.05. All right, 0.05. Let us subtract. So this becomes 0. This is 10. It becomes 9 and this becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5 and this is 9.0. See here, 0.95. 0.95. While subtracting, you must place the decimal point carefully. Okay, so write 9.5 as 0.95 into 10. Keep the 10 aside. Take up these two numbers. Between these two numbers, we have 1. So 1.05 is nothing but 1 plus 0.05. And 0.95 is nothing but 1 minus 0.05. Into 10 as it is. Now, this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, where a is 1 and b is 0.05. So a plus b into a minus b, this into 10, write it as it is equal to a square minus b square into 10. So this one is 1 and this one 0.05 into 0.05. 0.05 into 0.05. So 5 5s are 25. Now you will have to place, meaning after the decimal point, there should be 4 digits. So decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, because 1, 2, 3, 4 digits after the decimal point. So 0.0025. 0.0025 into 10. Now when you subtract these two numbers, you get 0.9975 into 10 into 10. And when you multiply by 10, you will get 9.975. 9.975. Is it clear, Bhavishya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That's about the last one. Are you ready for a test?
Yes, ma'am.
Based on the same thing, same concepts. Yeah. Please start working. do the these are similar. So I want you to do the fourth one and the first one. Do 1 and 4. Finish both 1 and 4 and let me know. Done, Swati? Oh, sorry, Bhavishya.
No,
Finished,
ma'am,
Bhavishya?
I'm doing fourth sum, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Bhavishya. Not able to do the fourth one?
Done, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me. Read out.
For first one, 51 square minus 49 square.
Yeah.
Is equal to 50 plus 1 minus 50 minus 1, ma'am.
How 50 plus 1? No, it's of which form?
Ma'am, a plus b, a minus b.
No. This is the question. The question is of what form? See, when you did this one, look at this. I'll tell you the difference between these two. Listen, this is 78 into 82. 78 into 82. Now, to work this one, you write 78 as 80 minus 2 and 82 as 80 plus 2. Correct, Bhavishya?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this is the question. This is also the question in a different way, written in a different way. This is not the answer. So, see, this is nothing but 78 into, this is nothing but 82. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so we are still with the question only. Though we have written 78 as 80 minus 2 and 82 as 80 plus 2, it's still the question 78 into 82. Now, this is of the form what? The question is of what form? A minus B into A plus B. So the answer is A square minus B square. So the answer is 80 square minus 2 square. But here, how was the question? How does the question look for you?
A minus b.
Where is A minus B, darling? Think. See, how does the question look for you? The expression given look for you? You know it. There are two squares, no?
A
Square
square.
completed.
A square b square, ma'am.
A square minus B square. The question looks like A square minus B square. See there, it is clearly like A square minus B square. So the question is like A square minus B square. So your answer will be A plus B into A minus B. If the question is A plus B into A minus B, the answer is A square minus B square. If the question is A square minus B square, then the answer is A plus B into A minus B. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now here the given expression or the question is of the form A square minus B square. Okay, so the given question is of the form or the given expression is of the form A square minus B square. So the answer is A plus B into A minus B, where your A is 51 and B is 49. Don't write, I'll show you the answer slide. Don't write. Okay, so A is because A square. Okay, are you clear with A 51 and B 49?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what is A square minus B square? 51 square minus 49 square. A plus B, 51 plus 49 into A minus B, 51 minus 49. This is the answer. So what is 51 plus 49?
100, ma'am.
Into
2, ma'am.
So what's the answer?
200.
200. So when you find 51 square minus 49 square, when you actually multiply 51 into 51, you get some answer. Then you do 49 into 49, you get some answer. And when you subtract these two, you will get 200. 200 is the answer. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, please correct the fourth one. Or maybe I'll give you the answer for this. Do you want to try the fourth one by yourself, Bhavishya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please. All right. Yes, Bhavishya.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Yeah. Read out.
Ma'am, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b, ma'am.
Okay.
A is 12.1, b is 7.9.
Okay.
12.1 square minus 7.9 square is 12.1 plus 7.9 and 12.1 plus minus 7.9, ma'am.
Okay. So what's the final answer?
Ma'am, 84 I got.
Very good. All right. Now you can check your answer. See, this is the first one. This is the first one. This is the fourth one. Is it clear now, Bhavishya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Take a screenshot and you can complete 2 and 3 as homework. We did 1 and 4 now in the class. You can do 2 and 3 as homework.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yeah. This is your next one. Do the first and second. Do 1 and 2. Try 1 and 2.
Ma'am,
Yes, Bhavishya?
ma'am, I'm having a doubt in first sum, ma'am.
Yeah. Please ask. Yeah.
Ma'am, for those two, I have wrote like 100 plus 3 and 100 plus 4, ma'am.
Correct. Yes.
Ma'am, for that equation, what we should write?
So 103, you've written it as 100 plus 3 into 104 is 100 plus 4. Perfect. So how does this look like for you? It looks like x plus a into x plus b, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
See your x is 100. See your x is 100. A is 3, b is 4. Yes
Okay,
or no?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So x plus a into x plus b is equal to, complete the identity. X squared plus a plus b of x
X is B.
plus ab plus ab, where your x is 100, a is 3, b is 4. I just assume you have some problem with the mic and that's why you're not able to answer. Okay, I hope you understand this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So 100 plus 3, 100 plus 3, this is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x squared, 100 squared plus a plus b of x plus ab, 3 into 4. So what is 100 squared?
10,000, ma'am.
Yeah. This one, what's the value here? What is 3 plus 4?
7, ma'am.
Into 100
700, ma'am.
plus,
12, ma'am.
yeah, what's the final answer?
10,712, ma'am.
Very good. So 103 into 104 is equal to, yeah, 10,712. Okay, so you can now try the second one. 5.1 into 5.2. Yeah, please do that. You can write on the first one and then try the second one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Avishya?
Last step, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, yes, Bhavishya. You tried the second one, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What's the answer?
I'm 26.52, ma'am.
26.52. Perfect. Please, can you take a photo of your answer and put it on WhatsApp now, Bhavishya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do that.
Ma'am, I have sent, ma'am.
Yeah. So 5 plus 0.1 into 5 plus 0.2, x plus a into x plus b. Very good, very good. Very good, very, very good. 25, 1.5. How nice. Very good, Bhavishya. Very good, very good. I'm so happy. Very good. Do you want to try another one here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please choose 3 or 4, anything you can try.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, done. Bhavishya?
No, ma'am.
Okay. You're trying the third or the fourth one?
Fourth one, ma'am.
Okay. You seem to be the topper of your class. Am I right, Bhavishya?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Very good. Yeah. What's your answer?
95.06.
95.06. Yes. Again, can you take a picture and share your answer on WhatsApp?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, do that.
Ma'am, I have sent, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You have taken 9, I've taken 10. All right. Let me check your answer. Both are correct. I'll explain what I have worked. 9. Okay. Very good. Very good. 81 plus 1.5 to 9. Yeah. 13.5 plus 0.56. Perfect. So 94. Perfect. Yes. You're right, Bhavishya. So you have written 9.7 and 9.8 as 9 plus 0.7 and 9 plus 0.8. That's fine. So I have used 10. I've written 9.7 as 10 minus 0.3 and 9.8 as 10 minus 0.2. All right. So now when you compare this with x plus a and x plus b, Bhavishya, we have to be careful. When you compare this with x plus a and x plus b, you can clearly see that a is minus 0.3. A is not 0.3. A is minus 0.3 and b is minus 0.2. X is 10. Am I right, Bhavishya?
Yes, ma'am.
X is 10. A is because plus A is minus 0.3. That means A is minus 0.3 and B is minus 0.2. Okay. So the formula is the same. X is 10, A is minus 0.3, B is minus 0.2. Now, x plus A into x plus B is equal to x squared. See here, x squared, 10 squared plus A plus B of x plus A into B. Then you just have to simplify. Minus 0.3 and minus 0.2 is minus 0.5 into 10 plus when you multiply these two, you get 0.06. Yeah, simplification you can take care. So the answer is 95.06, exactly what you've got. Please write down this, Bhavishan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Fine. You can take a screenshot. You can try what you have not completed in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, take a screenshot. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Bhavishya. Please try the fifth one here. Please try the fifth one. Show that A minus B into A plus B minus C into B plus C plus C minus A into C plus C is 0. Just give it a shot. Try, you can get it. Otherwise, we'll do it together. The fifth subdivision. Need help, Bhavishya?
Ma'am, for the C minus A and C plus A, I don't know, ma'am.
Okay. What have you worked so far? Again, can you take a picture and share?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. No, darling. No. All right. Don't write down. Don't write first. I'll show you the answer slide. Let's just discuss. So see, what is given is you need to find, you need to show that A minus B into A plus B. See, this is one thing. Plus B minus C into B plus C. This is one, meaning this is the second part, like this is the first part, plus this is the second part, plus C minus A into C plus C. You need to, this is the third part. You need to show that this is equal to 0. That is the value of this entire expression is equal to 0. Now, Bhavishya, what do you know? What is A minus B into A plus B, Bhavishya? What is A minus B into A plus B?
Ma'am, A squared minus B.
Yeah, and what is B minus C into B plus C?
B squared minus C squared, ma'am.
And what is C minus A into C plus A?
C squared minus A squared, ma'am.
Now what will happen? Plus A square minus A square. Plus C square minus C square. Plus B square minus B square. So it is 0. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all. Write down. Yeah. So you need to take up the left-hand side because you'll have to show that the value of the expression is 0. So take up the LHS. You can see here, take up the LHS. This is the LHS. Yeah, I just explained. So if you have any question, you can ask me. And you should show that it's equal to the RHS.
No doubts, ma'am.
You finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now try this one. Try the fourth one. Try the fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Bhavishya.
Ma'am, I got 50 p square cube 50 p power 4 plus q power 8, ma'am.
No, that means I think while adding, see, like when you have something like 16 p square q square and for example, some another 16 p square q square, you have written 32 p to the power 4 q to the power 4. Have you done something like this?
No, ma'am, I have first done that first two, ma'am. 4 p square plus 3 q whole square.
Okay, I think you shared your answer. I'll see. What have you done? Bhavishya. No. What have you done? Huh? No, no, no. See. Okay. Bhavishya. Correct? This is the LHS, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how does it look like for you, ma? A plus B the whole square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is A plus B the whole square? How do you expand that? Yeah, what is A plus B the whole square?
Ma'am, a plus b and a minus b, ma'am.
A plus B the whole square is A plus B into A minus B.
No, ma'am. A square plus 2ab plus b square.
Yeah. Yeah. So what is A square? What should I write here?
4pq, ma'am.
And here 2 into
4pq into 3q, ma'am.
and then last bracket.
3q, ma'am.
Correct. Minus. What's the next one?
4pq.
Okay.
Minus 2 into 4pq into 3q, ma'am.
Then
Plus 3q.
the whole square. Very good. Now, what is 4pq into 4pq?
16pq. p square q square, ma'am.
See, when we do it together, you're saying everything correctly. And what is this? 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 24?
pq square, ma'am.
See, then plus
3q square, ma'am.
3q into 3q.
9q square, ma'am.
Yeah, this is in the first bracket. Minus second bracket, same terms you will get. 16p square q square minus 24p q square plus 9q square. Now the signs will change, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 16 p square q square plus 24 p q square, correct? Minus 9 q square, correct? Okay. Now simplify. What gets cancelled?
16 pq square and 16 pq square, ma'am.
Plus minus. Yeah, correct. Next.
9q square and minus 9q square, ma'am.
So now what is left?
24 pq square plus 24 pq square, ma'am.
What is 24 plus 24?
48, ma'am.
PQ square, you should write as it is. And isn't that the RHS?
Yes, ma'am, it is equal to RHS.
Very good. See, you did it yourself. I did not do anything. I just wrote what you dictated. So you know it. Very good. Yes, Bhavishya, take screenshots.
Yes,
This is the fourth one. You can see the fourth answer here. 5 we already finished. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now these we have not discussed also, but I think you can do it. In case you have any questions, you can ask me in the next class. You should not forget to ask me. All right. Yeah, so please complete this also. Yeah, please. All this is from today's class. The questions are from NCERT. Last exercise, algebraic expressions and identities, NCERT, the last exercise.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see the question number 5. Last exercise, question number 5. I think 5, 6, 7 we did today. Took a screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so please complete all this, Bhavishya. All right.
Yes.
All right, Bhavishya. So that's it for today's session. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good night. Thank you. Good night.